Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and home decor lovers. Today, we're diving into a game changer for your interior design projects. The ZEKOO 7.5 feet bypass sliding barn door hardware kit. Stick around as we unbox, install, and review this sleek hardware kit that promises to elevate your home's style and functionality. Right out of the gate, let's clarify that this kit comes with the hardware only. You'll need to supply the doors. It's designed for doors up to 1/3/4 thick, and for best coverage, your door width should be 6 wider than half of your opening width. In the box, we've got two 3.75 feet rails, a junction plate, spacers, rollers, door stoppers, anti-jump pads, floor guides, a detailed installation manual, and some smaller accessories. Installation's a breeze with the step-by-step manual. What's fantastic is you only need 6 inches of ceiling space above your door, making this kit a space saver compared to traditional options. ZEKOO doesn't skimp on quality. The black electrostatic sprayed carbon steel track is corrosion, rust, and scratch resistant. The wheels, covered in nylon for durability, vibration, and wear resistance, ensuring smooth, quiet operation. And with heavy-duty materials like Q235 carbon steel and grade 8.8 bolts, this kit can easily support doors up to 230 pounds. After a hands-on test, I'm impressed. The ZEKOO 7.5 feet bypass sliding barn door hardware kit is not just about aesthetics. It's sturdy, functional, and user-friendly. Whether you're tackling a new build or a renovation, it's a fantastic choice, earning a solid 4.5-star rating from me. That's a wrap on our review. If you're looking to add a touch of modern, rustic charm to your space, definitely consider the ZEKOO hardware kit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more DIY project reviews. See you in the next one.